whilst Chiefs will have to content themselves with the best finish that they can muster. They are currently in 8th position.
But today, after that success over the weekend against SuperSport, Modi's creativity on the left-hand side, and Matthews has been remarkable since arriving at Sundowns. The youngster Ribeiro, you mentioned him, is
And as we get underway here at the iconic FNB Stadium, it's worth noting that these two reach another historic milestone this evening. No one appeared prepared to take on the responsibility. And now, Lucas Ribeiro goes tearing forward. Wonderful tackle from Given him Simango. Not according to Abongile Tom. There's the red card, it's out.
Was immediately to Ribeiro. I think the clock went.
Oh no, he catches him.
Clearly.
But
the distance now. And the direction. And how far were the defenders?
In the squad who has more than one goal against Mamelodi Sundowns. The most recent player on their books to have more than one goal against Sundowns was Simeon Lukovic. Here's James Mashefo. Still he goes on. He slid it through for Matthews. Big save from Vuma.
Came out and made himself big, Bruce.
Well, they have to stay switched on here. Launches it. And another stop from the Amakosi goalminder. Was the only player that Relani Mokoena has fielded today that's on 3 yellow cards as the whistle goes for the half-time. So Opas and Allende, Zwane and Williams have all been rested. William, based on the fact that Kaizer Chiefs are a man down currently. As we get back underway here at the FNB Stadium. Esquivel again. His cross is a good-looking one. It's broken kindly here for Costa. Oh. Excellent effort. Seized upon by Maema. Ribeiro. Oh, brilliant. That is absolutely sublime. And Tashreeq Matthews is on the score sheets again. Oh, he's read the challenge so well. Can he finish it off via the deflection? He does. And finally, Matheus Esquivel breaks his duck in the DStv Premiership. We're unbeaten in 21 matches before they lost away to Esperance in the first leg of the Champions League final as Mdu Shabalala enters the fray here. He'll replace Ashley Dupree on Saturday. Oh, that's nicely worked, and Mashefo setting it up for Ribeiro. Oh, the flag had already been raised.
I'm not sure. Was it Mashefo who straight? Yes.
Yep.
Otherwise, it was a great take by Ribeiro. He can't believe it.
Of course, their chances of getting all 3 points really scuppered early on as Matthews is sent through, and Matthews makes absolutely no mistake to double up and put Mamelodi Sundowns 3-0 in front.
Listen, it's very simple. We don't want the ball played through.
Now look at this. Kaizer Chiefs with an opportunity from the penalty spot. Well, there might be a blemish.
Don't confuse him now. There's pressure.
Well, Sundowns' title-winning victory won't be blemish-free. Mdu Shabalala pulls one back from the spot.
And I guess they were bent on chasing and defending for the most part, so his impact in attack was not visible.
It's Costa. Oh, wow! He's staying in the hunt for the Golden Boot. That's a dozen in the league this season. And it's one of his... What a shame it would be to not see them in the MTN8 next season. Oh, the punishment could get worse. He held his run beautifully. And Themba Nkosi-Loach gets Sundowns 5th. And the final whistle has sounded. Bafana Style do it as stylishly as you can possibly imagine.